show you a operations video of this truck. We're gonna drive it, steer it, let you hear there's no squeak. '94 Peterbilt. We're gonna go ahead and show you a quick demonstration of us driving it. I only have one hand here, so I'm gonna do the best I can. Now we'll shift to high. Shifts well into high. Got good turbo pressure as well. Now we're going about 30 miles an hour, 40. Go ahead and show you the Jake brakes. And they're all, horn works, all the lights work, engine fans engaged.